A very warm welcome to all of you. For those of you who don't know me, I am Harish PM. I'm a faculty member here in mechanical engineering. I've been here since 2011, December, and I'm also involved in campus development. We are delighted that all of you could join us. I see many alumni. I see past employees, past faculty, past staff, many of our well-wishers and strong supporters of the Institute who have played an important role in the growth of the Institute. And then, of course, our current faculty, staff, students, and stakeholders. I'm particularly delighted that Mr. Pankaj Patel could join us today, that he could take time off to spend the evening with us. We are very grateful to Mr. Pankaj Patel. So 10 years is not a long time in the life of an institute, but the first 10 years surely play a critical role in laying the foundation of the institute's culture. So completion of 10 years provides us with a great opportunity to retrospect and renew our energies in this mission to create a very unique and different IIT that we set out to. So first, I request Professor Amit Prashant and Professor Jason Manjule to come to the stage. Professor Jason Manjule joined the Institute in 2008, has been our first career faculty member. He is a faculty member in Humanities and Social Sciences. Also the Dean of Student Affairs, and under his leadership, the Institute has developed this very unique student-centric culture. Professor Amit Prashant joined the Institute in 2010, and until very recently, he was the Dean of Academic Affairs. And under his leadership, the Institute has been able to develop many unique academic initiatives and also a very innovative curriculum. I now request Professor Jain to welcome the chief guest, Mr. Pankaj Patel, and accompany him to stage. Mr. Pankaj Patel is the chairman of Cadila Healthcare Limited, an innovation-driven global healthcare company with operations in more than 50 countries worldwide. The group has a team of nearly 23,000 people worldwide. With an experience spanning 40 years in the Indian pharmaceutical industry, Mr. Patel combines both research and techno-commercial expertise. Mr. Pankaj Patel is the immediate past president of the Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FICCI. He is a member of the Board of Management at the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, IIFT. He has been nominated on the reconstituted court of the Indian Institute of Science for the period of 2018 to 2021. He has been nominated as a member of the Mission Steering Group, the highest policy-making and steering body constituted under National Health Mission. Recently, Mr. Patel was nominated as a member of the Drug Technical Advisory Board by the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, Government of India. He is a member of the Board of Governors of the Indian Institute of Management, IIM, Ahmedabad. He is also the chairman of the Board of Governors and Society at IIM Udaipur and IIT Bhubaneswar. Mr. Patel serves on the board of various educational institutes like Ahmedabad University, Narsi Monji Institute of Management Studies, Gujarat Law University, Gujarat Law Society, Nirma University, and Anant National University. Mr. Pankaj Patel is the executive chairman, vice president, and trustee of the Gujarat Cancer Society and chairman of the Gujarat Cancer and Research Institute, a regional cancer center and one of the largest cancer centers of India, reaching out to the needy and underprivileged cancer patients. Mr. Pankaj Patel also officiates as the chairman of the Deaf and Mute Society, Ahmedabad. I again request Professor Jain to welcome Mr. Patel with a token of appreciation.